Hello, everyone. We're going to make a video. So glad you guys came back to see Mr. B's math tutorials. All right, on the calculator. We're going to do a problem today over simple and compound interest. Okay. I know that's a topic that we covered talking about that. So I'm going to do a problem here real quick just to show you how to put it in the calculator. All right. When you start with your calculator, you always want to clear the RAM. That's going to be second plus 712. Clear my RAM. And now we're going to go ahead and go into the problem. So just a little bit of information. Keisha just deposited a total of $900. All right, she's putting it in two different accounts. One has 550 and one have 350. Okay, they have two different interest amounts and they have 2 years as the time. Okay, I'm going to type this so that you can see it, but there is your problem. All right. So now we're just going to start with our principal. So the first amount she deposited was $550. So $550, the interest is 2.25. But if I move my decimal and add the 1, it should look like this. Okay. And then the time was 2 years. And since it's compounded, it's going to raise to a power of 2. Now that's $575.03. Now the second account she did was simple interest. So that's 350. The interest amount was 3%. So that's 0.03. And the time again was 2 years. Now this 21 is only the amount of interest. Since they want the balance of the account, I have to add that to 350. So now I just take my two numbers, 575 and 3 cents plus 371. And bam, there it is. Okay. If they just wanted the amount of interest, then I can take 575.03 minus the 550. And that's how much interest they earned on the compound account. Okay, we already know the amount of interest they earned on the simple was 21. So if we wanted to compare how much interest was different, 2503 minus 21, she earned $4 more. So it's a lot of questions that you can answer, or a lot of questions that you can be asked when it comes to simple and compound interest. And these are all the steps in the calculator. All right, y'all enjoy.